What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate or add Google Analytics to your Wix website. These are all the websites that I created. Now let's say I want to add Google or integrate Google Analytics into this website, the My Site 10. Simply click on the website. It will load up the site's dashboard and its main settings. Simply go from the menu on the left, scroll down till you see the settings at the very bottom, click on it. And here you'll see all your settings. To get the analytics settings, go to the very bottom into the advanced section and click on marketing integrations. And from there you can get all kinds of tools that you can integrate, such as TikTok Pixel, Facebook Catalog, Google Tag Manager, as well as Google Analytics. So click on Connect in Google Analytics. And here it will give you these steps. However, one thing to note is you need to upgrade your site to the premium plan in order to connect Google Analytics. So you cannot connect it with the free plan such as mine. However, this is the way. And here you will get some steps. So of course you have to have a Google Analytics account. And here add it, or add your Google Analytics ID, and then continue with the wizard to add your or integrate Google Analytics into this Wix website.